Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 8 of our unboxing of the Snazzi Scrappin Advent Calendar. I haven't got maybe a pair of tweezers. Let's see. Oh, I was right. I think that, yes, they are tweezers. They've got a really fine point. If I can get it out. Let me see. Oh yes, that is a mighty sharp point. That'll be good for taking off the backing of double-sided sticky tape. Very nice. Join me tomorrow for day 9. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.